Fused deposition modeling, FDM, is widely used in the production of high-performance plastic components, with the goal of obtaining three-dimensional parts with high printing quality. However, the traditional printing materials, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and polylactic acid, PLA, have shortcomings in terms of printing strength and rigidity. Here, we show that polyether-ether-ketone, PEEK, is an excellent 3D printed material with higher printing performance compared to ABS. Compared with ABS, the mechanical properties of PEEK are much higher and the modulus of elasticity of PEEK is similar to that of ABS. These results indicate that 3D printed polyether-ether-ketone, PEEK, will play an important role in the future production of high-quality plastic components.
This article is titled, Influence of Layer Thickness and Raster Angle on the Mechanical Properties of 3D Printed PEEK and a Comparative Mechanical Study between PEEK and ABS, and was authored by Wenzheng Wu, Peng Geng, Guiwei Li, D. Zhao, Haibo Zhang, and Ji Zhao.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.